Box plots display a 5-value summary of a data set, where quartiles split the data distribution into 4 equal parts. For example, to build a box plot, the values in the data set are ordered from least to greatest. The maximum and minimum values in the data set are used to plot the ends or whiskers of the box plot. Next, the median of the data set is found and used to plot the center of the box plot. At this point, the lines on the plot split the data in half, with approximately 50% of the data from the minimum to the median and approximately 50% of the data from the median to the maximum. To split the data set by quartiles, the medians for both halves of the data set are found, where the median for the whole data set is not included in these calculations. The median for the lower half of the data is called quartile 1 or Q1 and is plotted to form the left end of the box. The median for the upper half of the data is called quartile 3 or Q3 and is plotted to form the right end of the box. Note, when there is an odd number of values in the original data set, the median of the data is the center value in the data set. So, a single data point that corresponds to the median is left out when calculating quartile 1 and quartile 3. When there is an even number of values in a data set, the median averages the 2 centermost values and splits the data perfectly in half, so there is no value to be left out when calculating Q1 and Q3. Note, the median of the whole data set is sometimes called quartile 2 or Q2. The 5-value summary represented by a box plot shows the center and spread of the data set. For example, the 4 sections of a box plot each represent approximately 25% of the values in the data set. If the range of the quartiles is roughly about the same, the data points are relatively evenly spread across the range of the data set. If one of the 4 sections of the box plot is shorter than the others, that 25% of the data is more tightly clustered than the rest of the data. If one half of the box plot is shorter than the other half, that half of the data is more tightly clustered than the other half.